Hello, so in today's video I'll be discussing the structure of an atom, the uh, the nucleus of an atom, the atomic number, the atomic mass, and then decay. So starting off with the structure of an atom, so an atom has a nucleus, so this would be the nucleus, but inside the nucleus there's two main parts, which is the proton, which to label the proton I'll just write P in here. And a proton has a positive one charge, and then there's a neutron. And the neutron has a neutral charge, which you could probably assume from the name. And then it has one orbital. And so this has two protons, which makes it have an atomic number of two, which is helium, I believe. But because of that, if there was just no electrons, it would have a positive two charge. But then to subsidize for the um, its charge, it has a two electrons, so electron, and an electron has a negative one charge, so it would have negative two, so the overall charge would be zero. Now I will be discussing the uh, the nucleus of an atom. So how the nucleus was discovered was by scientist named Rutherford, and what his model or his experiment pretty much did was he shot a beam into a gold foil, and pretty much what happened was he noticed that some of the light would deflect off, very few, and what he concluded from that was that there was the presence of uh, small little nucleuses in the very small sheet of gold metal. So that's how the nucleus was discovered. And like mentioned before, the nucleus is just the collection of protons and neutrons in the center of a atom. And this pretty much debunked the plum pudding model, which stated that a atom pretty much just had like a collection of protons and neutrons, kind of like a plum pudding, randomly scattered around in the atom. Okay, now I was discussing atomic numbers. So atomic number is just the amount of protons. So here you could see because there are two protons, this is a helium helium atom. Yeah, so the number of protons dictates its atomic number. So anything that so yeah, so if this were to have one more proton, I don't know what element that would be, but that the atomic number would change to three because the atomic number is just the amount of protons. So now atomic mass. Atomic mass is the mass of the protons and neutrons combined. It's very simple. It's very similar to that. And now on to alpha, beta, and gamma rays. So alpha, beta, and gamma rays. So in the thing in isotopes. So like let's say um N A. I'm not sure. This is like hypothetical. Like a hypothetical amount of like so alpha particles. That's an alpha particle is pretty much just like um it's like if you were to add a helium atom. So pretty much it'll just add two protons and two neutrons. So if this was 4 2, then you add a um one of these, which is the symbol for alpha. It would become 6. Oh shoot, 6 4 and A. And for the beta particles, what happens is, so like let's say 10 4 and A, and also these are just hypothetical numbers. And then a beta happens, which kind of looks like this. What ends up happening is the amount of protons changes. So then two neutrons would be given, or yeah, two neutrons would become protons. So then it would just become 10 6 Na. So pretty much with gamma rays, all they do is they just release a photon. So it